I got diamonds doing slides in both ears. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
Hi you guys, I am Shelly, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've already been here, welcome back, and thank you so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be my Vogue inspired makeup look. If you guys have been on YouTube, then you've seen there are so many celebrities that have done this. As you can see the background, I'm at this really nice hotel downtown Chicago, and I just felt like the bathroom was the perfect setting. Everything that I'm using today I have used on my channel before, but like I said, this is my Vogue inspo makeup look, so it did take me roughly 10 minutes to film this or to do this makeup look. I know you guys love seeing me do these makeup looks on my channel, so here we go with another one. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me some comments down in the comment section below, letting me know your thoughts on the video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my lip mask to moisturize my lips, because my lips have been so dry lately. I'm using the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it just really moisturizes my lips. I'm gonna put on some eye cream. I'm using the Brighten eye cream by the Inky List. And then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydro Gel Moisturizer. I like using this as a primer, or almost like a primer, but I use this in place of a primer. Now I'm gonna start with concealer. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Almond. Actually, I have a newer one. And I'm just gonna use this to conceal under my eyes as well as spot correct. Like I have this little period pimple. Get it on the sides of my nose and just anywhere that needs to be covered up. And then I'm just gonna take this brush and blend. It's a double-ended e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush. I just covered up all of my imperfections. But I wanna highlight. So I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel. Take that just a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take the other end of the brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Foundation Stick, and I'm in the shade Mocha. I think, yeah, 500G, Mocha 500G. And I'm just gonna like 2 swipes on my cheeks or down my cheeks, and then 1 on my forehead, because I really want this to be super light coverage and skin-like. I'm gonna go on Bronze Belle by e.l.f. with the Real Techniques contour brush and just bronze my face a little bit. This lighting is not that good, so I don't even know if you guys can even see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. To set underneath my eyes, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm also going to set my brows because I'm about to fill them in. And when you set them first, it gives you like a nice outline for your brows. So when you fill them in, you just go along where your natural shape starts and ends. I'm just using the Huda Beauty Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. Usually if you have a little bump and you put makeup on it and then use like an eyeliner pencil to make it look like a mole, but like it's smack dead in the middle of my face, so it'll be too obvious that it's fake. Well, not really, but kinda. Put on some blush. For blush, I'm using Desert Rolls by MAC. It's an old favorite and it's actually broken. I don't care, it's an old favorite, so it's like a baby pink. And just go over the nose, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my black eyeliner pencil. This is the Wet n Wild waterproof, breakup proof, blackest black eyeliner pencil. And I'm just going to line the outer part of my eye. If you guys have watched my videos, you know that I love doing this. I like the look of a darker lash line. Even though I'm wearing lash extensions, I still like the way that looks. I'm just gonna take this angled brush and smudge it out a little bit. Mascara, I'm using Kush Mascara by Milk. And I actually like clumpy lower lashes, so yeah, I'm gonna try to clump them together in the middle. for lips, I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in the shade Brownie, and I'm going to line just the top of my Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna go in with Fussy Lip Gloss by Fenty Beauty. It's the Gloss Bomb. I'm gonna add a little more liner. Alright, so I'm going to set my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Alright you guys, so that is it for my Vogue inspired makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!